Hi guys, thought I'd show you, continue our aircraft theme, so I thought I'd show you some die casts that's come in from Corgi recently. So, let's have a look. This is the Jaguar from Corgi. This is 72nd scale. Really nice model of the aircraft. It actually swings around on its base, so you can sort of play around with it. Scheme is pretty generic to that series. Basic squadron. Quite nice, nicely done up. Painting's good, looks good. Next one. We have two Tornadoes. Whoop. This is one of the limited, not limited edition. What do they call them? Special edition ones. This is the Tornado from. Oh no, it just says Tornado. Doesn't actually say squadron. I'll probably work it out somewhere. But the wings do swing, so you can have them out, so you can show them off. They do come with weapons loads and all sorts of things. We just haven't put them on. It's just too much work to pull them on and off. This is quite nice. So that's that one, that particular one. Oops. And we also have a very famous squadron of this one. This is the all black ones from the Saint Squadron. So this is pretty cool. Again, wing swing. This is one of the fancy schemes. This is one of the squadrons, 1915 to 1919 anniversary. I can't remember the actual squadron. I think it's 111, but I could be wrong. So it's got the Saint symbol on the star, which is, if you've ever seen the Lancaster with the Saint symbol on it, that's also quite famous. So very nice. Nice detail all underneath. Comes up well, so it's a very nice little kit. So, quite nice. Oh, something's going on with that. Sort that in a minute. And another one. This is actually from Hobby Master, I believe. Yeah, this one's actually from Hobby Master. This is a Typhoon 2, done up in World War II Spitfire markings, I believe, or something to that period. So quite a different scheme on it. It's one of these celebration type kits, so that they or aircraft. So these guys have done up the scheme in it. It's a straight up standard kit, but they've done all the markings up as though it's a World War II aircraft to celebrate one of these squadrons or one of the groups, or the Air Force, I think it actually might be. So that's quite nice. So that's in stock as well at the moment. Whoops. Also from Herpa. Now this one came out of the blue a little bit. This one's not cheap for what it is, but if you're ex-Army aviation or just love Army aviation, this is a Herpa Pilatus Porter PC6 in actually Army markings. This would have been around the 1980s schemes. They then repainted them into the camouflage schemes and everything else. I've actually did some flying in one of these. Great fun. Sit on the floor, and the aeroplane flies all over the countryside with you hanging on to anything you can hang on to. Really nice kit. Prop goes around, of course, all the rest of it. Really well done. The markings are very good. So, as I said, it's not cheap. It's about $174.95, but I think it's limited, and it's not likely that you'd see too many of these in diecast anyway. So, as I said, if you're looking for that particular aeroplane, quite nice. And also one other, just a little airliner that we've got from Herpa in the old original Qantas scheme for this series of aircraft. This is a DC 6 or 4. Yeah, I think it's a DC 4. Could be wrong. I'm sure there's experts out there that'll come back to me and tell me it's a DC6, so I'll take my chances. It's one or the other, 50-50 chance. Really nicely done. The colours are good. It's in the original ochre scheme for the side of around the windows and everything else. Very bright, shiny wings. All the markings are really well done. They've really gone to town on getting it right. So yeah, nice kit. or nice die cast. So other than that, guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon.